So I don't like this as much, and your dryer vent's blocked, so. Is it worth it? That's why we're here today in Middletown to try to find out. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home, 2312 square feet. They're asking $500,000 and they had a price drop of $15,000 already. It is only been on the market for 21 days. I think it's a flip. Buyers are inside. Let's go take a tour. Front yard, right in that rock pile there is the well. Looks like we got new siding. It just rained, so it's hard to tell on the roof. Looks like new lighting. I saw a septic sign out front, so they either put in a new septic or had it serviced. Got a little bit of uneven here, but it is sloping away from the house, so that's always a bonus. Got a crack on the corner of the foundation there. I don't like to see that. What do we got out back here? There's an old window. Oh, there's a rabbit. Oh, this is nice. Looks like a porch conversion into a sunroom. Not sure how far back the lot goes. Yep, there's the septic right up there. They got nails everywhere. Let's see if we can't find an age on this dude. I'm trying to look at these connections here. I'm guessing either 25 or 05. Probably 25, as clean as that thing looks. Let's see what else we got. Old tree. Oh, there's a deck on the side over here. Let's head on in.
Nice closet.
Oh, this is nice. This place is huge. Wow, this is a really nice space. Windows are not new, those are fogged up. And it looks like these are fogged up, so functionally they work fine, but the seal between the two panes of glass looks like it has broken, and that's what causes that fog. And it also looks like we got wood windows. Kitchen, new cabinets, appliances, countertops. And then back here is that sunroom that we saw from outside. Got vinyl windows back here. Ooh, a beautiful wood stove. I like that a lot. That's a nice one. And then of course out to your deck. Let's check out these bedrooms. So we got LVP all throughout the main, carpet in this bedroom with an overhead light. Okay size. Let's see what we got over here. Bedroom 2. This might be the master. It's kind of big, yeah. I think this is the master. And we got the master bath. Good use of the gold. I'm usually not a fan of gold, but it's making a good comeback. Bedroom number 3. And the hall bath. And down in the basement, we have a walkout.
There's no access to the garage.
Well, this thing is screaming. See if I can find an age.
Yeah, you can't lock that.
25.
I think the same owner both of them.
Cool looking.
Yeah,
It's a different design, yeah. And let's check out the rest of the bedrooms. Nope, no closet, so not an official bedroom, but great office, and you could certainly use it as a bedroom. Not sure if I like that wire hanging there, but we got our water heater, pressure tank, water softener, sediment filter. See if we can't find ages on these. Installed, 26. And water heater, 25. Washer and dryer hookups. Really old panel here. I wonder if that's a fuse. I don't know. So I don't like this as much. And your dryer vent's blocked, so I'm not sure how to fix that, but I don't think they looked at that when they did this renovation. What else? Another room back here. Good space. Real narrow, but good space. And another bathroom. We got 3 full bathrooms. Take a look in the garage real quick. Oof, you can tell it's been closed up. It smells horrible in here. But big space, 2-car garage. And we got some water pooling up in there, so there's probably part of the smell. And there's no access from inside the house. So I would seriously consider cutting in a doorway in here, but I think the HVAC's there, so maybe over here. But somewhere along this wall, I would try to cut access in from the house. Now that we've been through the whole house, what do you think? Is it worth it? I'm gonna go ask my buyers.